Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel actually. If you're new here, nice to meet you, I'm Mackenzie, welcome to my channel. I'd like to just start off that, I am gonna start calling you guys Pop-Tarts. Don't be offended, I don't think of you guys as anything other than just regular human beings. The reason behind this is because all Pop-Tarts are different, everybody's different, but we all have one thing in common. Pop-Tarts are all Pop-Tarts. They're all made of the same thing, it's just different types of stuff put in them. Same with humans. We're all the same, but just different personalities, different heights, different looks, personalities. So, you know, that's it. There's a person right there. There's a person right there. She looked insane. She looked at me, oh my god. But, you know, whatever. So, I did just that right off the bat, and second, this was my third time trying to film this video. Well, other two times I filmed it off of the YouTube website, because if you are on a phone and you wanted to film a video, what you have to do is click the upload button, and she says, do you want to film? Choose or iCloud, I believe. And I chose film. Oh, how wrong I was. And what happened was, after I filmed the video the first two times, it deleted it. Why, YouTube? I actually cared for you. And you sit here and you destroy me. No. It kind of got me upset, because I'm like, why are you sitting in the hot sun out here in Utah in summer and filming outside, and I don't leave the house? But no, you had to delete it. Come on. But my third time filming a video on my camera, as in the camera roll, stuff like that, not from YouTube. So hopefully, hope that this does not get messed up. But you never know. But my next video might just be all my bloopers from my first ever video, because I don't have bloopers from my current videos at the moment, because I'm filming on YouTube and it sucks because it doesn't save it, so I had to go into bloopers of me failing my intro. I actually had a really kind person comment on my last video saying, I don't remember who it was, sadly I don't, but they were saying, hey, if you want to have music for your content, check out my website. Thank you so much. Shout out to that person if you're watching. Thank you. But you know, if you guys have any ideas on what I could do, please tell me. I need ideas. But I probably will be doing either bloopers video tomorrow or a Q&A. I will be asking people on Instagram, maybe Twitter if I only follow. I myself only follow people who are. No, I follow like YouTubers on there. They're like, notice me, senpai. But what else? But it's not a big deal for me. I just haven't really wanted. I might go follow smaller people. So I might go follow everyone who's following me on Twitter. I don't know. I'm like half-brained. But it's probably because my feed is getting really crazy. So I unfollowed everyone that I had, and then searched everyone I wanted to have me following and all that stuff, because I was getting things from like Netflix and other crap that I didn't really care about. I'm like, I don't want to have all this stuff on my newsfeed, on my feed and stuff, but whatever. But I also will be doing quotive and you can ask me questions in the comments below. Whatever, I'll be asking a lot of people to send me questions. But you know, I forgot everything. I filmed this 2 other times and I completely forgot about everything I talked about. But yes, I am in a different part of my behind the garages place. There's a bunch of yellow stuff everywhere. I'm in fact standing in front of one right now, but I don't care. Which means I'm in front, behind a different part of the high school. Which at this point you can actually see the bleachers, the front of the bleachers, and the high school next to it. That's kind of quick. Common, even over there you can see the back of the bleachers, whatever. But there's a tempting of stuff over there, and I went over there the first time I filmed it, hoping that it wouldn't delete it, but it did. And as a person, I need to turn around and just start running because I'm like, nope, I do not do human interactions. So I don't interact with any human beings. So, yeah, just checking 5 minutes. Okay, well, I'm gonna start ending. So, anyway, fact 12, I started doing YouTube in 5th grade, so I was around like 9, 10, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. I was probably 10, and stuff. My first video was like a couple seconds long because I actually was talking, I was whispering. I found this like crappy music off of I think off of the YouTube video editor, I don't know. And you couldn't hear my voice at all. It completely overthrew my voice. And I got up and closed the window so I wouldn't seem insane. Please go away! And it kept the music going, and I just ended it there because I did actually talk. I did actually film and all that stuff, but I was filming that off of a computer webcam, and I'm now sitting here filming outside on my phone on a more comfortable type of spaces, more comfortable way of how I feel. I feel like myself now, but you know what not gonna get into it. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a like, a thumbs up, and hit the thumbs up button. Please. I normally use proper driver. Comment down below. I will always reply, and as much as I can. And please hit that red subscribe button. It really helps me out. Anyway, other than that, see you later. Darts.